Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Children, today we are going to do part 2 section of word sums on measurements of chapter 19 of class 3rd Maths Junior book. I am your math teacher Vijaya Lakshmi, Nodiyal. Children, in this part we are going to solve the word problems based on measures of weight. That is weight of solid things. That is in kilograms and grams. So let's start it. First, we will solve the homework part that I gave you yesterday of exercise 19A, word problems based on measures of length. Now see the question 6, children. Shanta traveled 357 kilometers by bus from Pune and then he walked the rest of the way to her village. If the village is 365 kilometers from Pune, how much did she walk? What does the question mean, children? That Shanta travelled from Pune to her village, but from Pune she travelled 357 kilometers by bus. This much of distance she travelled by bus, and the rest of the distance she travelled by walking. Now total distance from Pune to her village is 365. So you have to find out how much did she walk. So what you will do? You will first write down the distance to village from Pune, that is 365 kilometers. Then you will write down the distance traveled by bus from Pune, that is 357 kilometers. Subtract it, children, and then you will get how much distance she walked. So how you are going to do? 5 from 5 you cannot subtract 7, so you will borrow 1 from 6 and it will become 15. Now 15 minus 7 is 8, and 5 minus 5 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. So total distance she walked is 8 kilometers. Now see the question 7, children. Izaz struck 5 matchboxes to make a toy train. Each matchbox was 6 centimeters long. How long was the train? Now the question says here that Izaz is having a toy train which is made up of 5 matchboxes. Single toy train is made and it is made up of 5 matchboxes. By joining the 5 matchboxes, a toy train is made. Now the length of each matchbox is given, that is 6 centimeters. So you have to find out the total length of the train, or how long was the train. So first what you will do, you will write total matchboxes, that is 5, and length of each matchbox is 6 centimeters. Then you will multiply it, and children, the length of a toy train you will get it, that is 30 centimeters. 5 6 5 are 30 centimeters. Why? Because each matchbox is of length 6 centimeters and total matchboxes are 5. So all the 5 matchboxes are of 6 6 6 6 6. That means repeated addition. When we do repeated addition, that means you have to multiply. So 5 6 are 30. So 30 centimeters is the answer. Now children, see the question 8. A driver divided a 360-kilometer journey into 3 equal parts. How many kilometers did he cover in each part? This means total journey covered is 360 kilometers, and now this journey has to be divided into 3 parts, equal parts. So you have to find the distance in each part. So first you will write total journey covered, that is 360 kilometers, and number of equal parts are 3. So you will divide, children, to find out the length of each part. As I told you earlier also, whenever each part is asked, you have to divide distance covered in each part. So 360 kilometers divided by 3, answer will be 120 kilometers. How you can see here? 3 ones are 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Then next bring down the next number, that is 6. That comes in the table of 3 2 times. So write 2 on the quotient. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then after 6 also there is one number, that is 0. So write down 0 below and leave it as a remainder also. But 3 zeros are 0. So write 0 on the quotient also. So total distance is 120 kilometers. Now children, we are going to do exercise 19B, which is based on measures of weight. Now see the first question. That is, Dola bought 750 gram of potatoes and 500 gram of peas. What was the total weight of the vegetables? Now this is very easy. You understood? Total weight is asked. So here, weight of potatoes is given and weight of peas is given. Then you have there you have to tell the total weight of the vegetables. So add it, children. Weight of potatoes plus weight of peas. The questions you have to write down in this way, in this form of statement. Then you add it. Total weight will be 1250 grams, because here the weight is given in grams. But if you want to change into kilograms, so you will divide by 1000 and the answer will be 1 kilogram 250 gram. You can do conversion also. If the question asks you to do in convert into kilograms and grams, then you will divide it by 1000. So in this way you can do it. Now see the question 2. Lal bought 50 kg of cabbages and sold 37 kg. How much was left? Now very simple, children. If total weight of cabbages is given to you and the total weight of cabbages sold is given. So how much was left? Left means subtraction. So write down the statement that total weight of cabbages 50 kg. Then the sold weight of cabbages, that is 37 kg. Subtract, children. So from 0 you cannot subtract 7. So you will borrow 1 from 5 and it will become 10 now. Now 10 minus 7 is 3 and 4 minus 3 is 1, as 5 is reduced to 4 because it has given 1 to the neighbor number, that is 0. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So weight of cabbages left is 13 kg. Now children, see this question. Question 3. 400 gram of sugar is used to bake 1 cake. How much sugar is needed to bake 3 cakes? Now see, 1 weight is given to you and the weight of 3 cakes you have to find out. So very easy, children. I told you earlier also, if number is more in number, that is more number is asked, then you have to multiply, as if you are doing repeated addition here, because 400 gram you will write 3 times. If you will add it repeatedly, 400 gram 400 gram 400 gram, instead of writing repeatedly you can multiply it, because it is repeated addition. Now 1 cake weight is given to you, that is 400 gram. So sugar needed to bake a 1 cake is 400 gram and number of cakes are 3 here. So children, you multiply it. So you will get the answer 1200 gram. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fours are 12. So in grams, if you say, you will get 1200 grams. But if you will turn into kilograms and grams, you will divide it by 1000. Divide 1200 gram by 1000. So you will get 1 kg 200 gram. Now children, see this question 4. 4 children shared 500 grams of peanuts equally. How much did each get? Each means 1. So how much one child get? Okay. So here number of children are 4 and total peanuts is 500 grams. So it is divided among 4 children. So you have to now divide it, children, by a question itself you have understood. I told you earlier also, if each is asked, you have to divide. Now total weight of peanuts is 500 grams. Number of children are 4. Now each child will get 500 gram divided by 4, that is 125 grams. Now see, 4 ones are 4. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. Then bring down the next number, that is 0. So it will become 10. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Now 12 is bigger than 10, so you will take 2 times. 4 twos are 8. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Then bring down the next 0. It will become 20. Now 20 comes in the table of 4 5 times. So write 5 on the quotient. 20 minus 20 is 0. So your remainder is 0. After that, there is no number. Only grams is written. So write down grams above also. So your answer is 125 grams. Each child will get 125 grams. Now it's a time of homework. Children, from exercise 19b, you have to do question 5 to question 8. So very easy. All the questions are very easy. Only the thing is you have to understand the question properly. I know you can do it. So write it neatly, try it at least, and I will give you the answers of these questions in the next class. So with this, thank you.